they told you saving money was the key to wealth. You'd be rich if you just cut back on lattes and skipped vacations. But here's the truth, saving alone won't make you wealthy, it might be keeping you broke. Let me explain why. Welcome back to Grind Success, where we uncover the truths about wealth and success. If you're ready to challenge conventional wisdom and take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Number 1. The saving myth. For decades, we've been told saving is the path to financial security, but in today's economy, with inflation eroding the value of money, saving isn't enough. The interest from traditional savings accounts can't keep up with rising costs, so while you're diligently saving, your money's purchasing power is decreasing. Number 2. The power of investing. Wealthy individuals don't just save, they invest. They put their money into assets that grow over time, stocks, real estate, and businesses. These investments generate returns that outpace inflation and build true wealth. It's not about how much you save, it's about how effectively you invest. Number 3. The opportunity cost of saving. Every dollar sitting idle in a savings account is a missed opportunity. While your money rests, inflation works against it. Conversely, investing allows your money to work for you, generating income and growing your wealth. The longer you wait to invest, the more opportunities you miss. Number 4. Mindset shift. Building wealth requires a shift in mindset. It's not about hoarding money, it's about using it as a tool. Invest in your education, skills, and opportunities that offer returns. Embrace calculated risks and understand that growth often comes from stepping outside your comfort zone. Number 5. Action steps. Ready to break free from the saving trap? Here are actionable steps. Educate yourself on investment options. Start with small, manageable investments. Diversify your portfolio to manage risk. Regularly review and adjust your investment strategy. Remember, the goal is to make your money work for you. It's time to challenge outdated financial advice. Stop letting your money sit idle and start building real wealth. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, subscribe to Grind Success and join us on this journey to success.